Hey there, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you exactly how to bend a line in Canva. Even though Canva doesn't have a direct draw curved line tool, there's a clever workaround that gets the job done beautifully. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a smooth, curved line for any of your Canva projects, whether you're working on invitations, posters, or social media graphics. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't already, just head to Canva.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button, usually found up near the top right of your screen. Click that and you'll see a few options pop up. Next, instead of choosing one of the default sizes, we're going to select Custom Size. You'll want to set your dimensions to 100 by 50 pixels. The reason for this is we're creating a canvas that's wide and not too tall, which is perfect for shaping a line. Think of it like giving yourself a small, focused workspace, just enough room for our line to bend nicely without extra clutter. Now click to create your new design. Canva will open up your fresh, blank canvas ready to go. At this point, we need to make our straight line. Since Canva doesn't have a built-in tool for drawing a bendable line, we're going to use a little trick, turn text into a line. Go to the text tool, just click text over on the left, then add a text box to your canvas. In that text box, type a long string of underscores. You know, that little character that looks like a low dash. Don't worry about making it absolutely perfect right away. You can always add or remove underscores to adjust the length later. What you're doing here is using the underscore character as your straight line, a little hack that works surprisingly well. With your text selected, look up at the top right of Canva's toolbar for the Effects button. Give that a click. A panel will pop out showing a bunch of different text effects. What we're interested in is the Curve option. Go ahead and click Curve. Now here's the really cool part. This is where your straight line becomes a bend. Once you apply the curve effect, you'll see a slider appear. By moving that slider left or right, you can bend your line upwards into a smile or downwards into a frown, depending on your project. This adjustment lets you control how dramatic or gentle the curve is. Take your time here, slide it a little bit to get a subtle bend or push it further for a more pronounced curve. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on the first try. You can tweak the curve setting and even adjust the font size or add or remove underscores until you get exactly the bend you need. Remember, a gentle curve might fit some designs, while others might call for a dramatic bend. Feel free to experiment until it looks just right. And that's it, you've now created a curved line in Canva using a super simple workaround. It's a little trick, but it opens up a ton of design possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or if you came up with your own creative way to bend lines in Canva, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.